So guys, welcome back to the Hot Trans channel where I'm unboxing a Rubicon Gladiator battery powered pickup truck ride on, guys. So for the moment it has everything that it needs. It just need to be assembled, guys. So keep on watching.
I goes left to right.
Love
Anchors, and then there's the horn. You can actually do it. And then there's two little light switch in the front where you have to put a ball and it goes beep 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 beep.
So we'll show you an update here in a minute after he assembled it.
2 hours is assembly, guys.
No.
You do the intro. I'm working.
Alright, you're not working. You're holding it. Daddy was the one working on it. So guys, welcome back to
the Hootie Family Corner.
Keep acting like me. Alright, one more time. Look in here.
Fine.
Welcome back to
the Hootie Family.
And we are unboxing.
I don't know.
Oh.
You do the intro. I'm working.
Alright, you're not working. You're holding it. Daddy was the one working on it. So guys, welcome back to
the Hootie Family Corner.
Keep acting like me. Alright, one more time. Look in here.
Fine.
Welcome back to
the Hootie Family.
And we are unboxing.
I don't know.
This is how he assembled it, and I'm showing you after what it looks like after. I will be showing you what it looks like after we assemble it.
And then me driving it.
I'm missing.
So are you happy?
Kill it.
So what you gonna tell to Daddy?
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you. Dang, that was saying thank you, Dad. Dad.
Do you need missing one of them little?
There it goes. See, that's where the battery goes.
Let me see.
That's where the battery goes.
There's a battery in it?
No, there is no battery.
I don't even see the battery.
Wait, the battery's right there.
Because the door,
Yeah,
Daddy opened it. He was out and he didn't hold the door, guys. So
I have to put this back in.
Is it hard assembling it? Yes. So guys, well, you gotta have someone to help your kids to assemble it.
That ain't gonna go in. This is gonna go in. I hope. I don't have the muscle. The battery.
Whip to the camera.
It has the front. Something has to go in.
So this is what it looks like in here for the moment. At the moment.
It ain't turning.
Not really working. And his dog is happy.
Hey, Woo Boo. Hey, Woo.
See if it.
So guys, we found the screw.
Little screws somewhere.
Yeah, they're inside of it.
Okay.
There's a little back box for screws.
That's the reason why you have to make sure. Okay guys, it has 2 seats on it included, but right at the moment we're missing a screw, so we have to look for it.
That goes there.
Oh, let's show it then. So guys, I'm gonna explain to you what this pickup truck have in here. There's a hood, there's a light, there's a
So guys, this is how you actually open it. You don't actually use this, you go around. There's this little lever right
so
there.
this is the steering wheel. This is the, what's this killer right here?
The shifter.
Okay. And what else we could show you guys? This is the back, and you can put everything in the back side if you are pulling stuff. And that right there is easy to put on because Caleb just did it. So guys, I think it needs a screw, or else it would come out. I think it needs a screw right here, Baba. If you notice, Baba, because you can't just not screw the thing, or else it would come out when you ride on it. So guys, it has a screw, it has everything in it. You just have to look around. In each bag there is a screw, guys. You just have to look around what's in it when you assembled it. So pretty much I would show you after when it's done assembled.
Okay, we'll have to take it.
Done assembled. Guys, here it is. After it was assembled, it got stuck for a few minutes, guys.